I will not allow the Senate nor the office of the Senate President to be used to further petty partisan interests, especially by those actively seeking re-election in coming May midterm polls. Grabe, o hinuli agad. I urge Senator Marcos to refrain from using the Senate as a platform for her own personal political objectives and to instead use her name, title, and influence as a bridge toward unity, not a wedge for division. Our people in our country expect and deserve no less. Ay, grabe siya. Nirekta si Amy Marcos. Oo. Sunog na sunog si Amy Marcos. Kung bakit sobrang OA niya dito sa pangatlong hearing. Alam niyo kung bakit? Kasi napansin na siya napansin na siya ni Sara Duterte. Naalala niyo yun, yung sinabi ni Sara Duterte? Amy Marcos is my friend. I think our friendship is beyond politics. Blah, 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 blah. Hanggang doon lang pala ang kaligayahan ni Amy Marcos. Ano?